right, everybody, Dr. Blumenthal, Natural Transplants, back with you, and I'm so excited. We have Bob. Bob, good to see you again.
Hey, Doc, how are you?
Good, man. So this is real time. You got dog barking, wind blowing. So this is like we can see how the hair actually acts out in real time. This is great.
Yes.
You came to see me about a year ago in the Bethesda office. Prior to that, you had your first surgery with Dr. Huebner in the Florida office. That was like 2017, I believe. So, and we'll put up the pictures so people can get a sense, but just to kind of go through the history real quick, he did sort of the front couple fingers and a little bit of the crown, and then the second time around, we sort of started from the middle and basically did the crown itself. And wow, we were joking earlier, it doesn't quite look like the mane of your dog, but man, it looks incredible. It looks great. So tell everybody sort of how the year went and what your thoughts are.
Well, it's my second time around,
yeah.
But I knew what to expect, and it was everything I expected. It was pretty easy. It was quick. It was actually at times fun dealing with your staff.
Yeah. Believe it or not,
it was really not a big deal.
Good.
And, as long as you, are careful on the way out the door and you just rest and, for the first couple of days, everything's normal after that.
Yeah.
And you just gingerly wash your hair after whatever,
awesome.
3-4 days, and then a couple weeks in, you can get a lot more serious with it. But, on a scale of 1 to 10, the whole procedure in terms of difficulty, challenging, if 10 is the worst and 1 is the best, or so go backwards. 10 is the best, 1 is the worst.
Yeah.
I'd give you guys a 10.
Awesome. Oh, that's awesome. And as far as the results, tell me sort of, How's it feel? How did what does your wife say? Friends, has it changed?
My wife loves it. She looks at me and goes, "You have hair now. I love it."
Your friends have noticed the difference?
Yeah, anybody that's noticed has noticed the difference. That's awesome. There's a top view.
Yep.
Right, I was real sparse in here, all through here.
Almost nothing in the back. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot more fuller now.
Yeah, and this is great results. And your hair, the hair type plays a role. You're outside in direct sunlight, but it's also very fine, thin, straight hair. So you're still going to see through that to a certain degree. But compared to what it was, man, oh God, it looks awesome.
It's a lot better.
Yeah.
I'm not lucky like you to have that thick, coarse hair.
Yeah, or Dr. Huebner for that matter, right?
Or Huebner,
yeah, exactly.
He's in another galaxy.
He doesn't know what it feels like, yeah.
But I'll just give you my hair's cut short on the side.
Yeah.
And you really can't see.
Yeah, and you got 2 scars back there. 2 scars hidden, yeah.
Yeah, I got 2 scars.
It looks awesome.
Honestly, after the healing process, the scars are no big deal at all. In fact, your scars seem to heal very, very quickly.
Yeah, good.
And I literally pulled the stitches out myself.
Did you really? You didn't tell me that.
My wife pulled them out.
That's funny.
It wasn't even that big a deal.
Good.
Because I did it the first time, so I'm like, why not?
Right. Awesome.
Trying to be tough. Trying to be cool.
Right.
I have hair now. Cool.
Now you can go jump in the pool and you come out looking like Fabio coming out afterwards. Looks great.
Dude, I got to charge admission to get there. Come on. At this point. And you even got me lunch.
Yeah, we even got you lunch, and you even had fun.
It was fun.
You were a pleasure to work with. It's been a blast.
And I drove home after that. My wife drove me home. We're about 2 hours and 20 minutes.
Yep.
And I wouldn't mind coming back just to say hello.
Hey, man.
Even though it's 2 hours, 20 minutes.
Bring some donuts. You got to bring some treats. But you're welcome anytime as long as you bring some treats.
You got it.
Bob, it was a pleasure, man. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Hopefully we don't need to see you again unless you're bringing donuts just saying hi. But otherwise, congratulations. This will be the last time that we check in with you, but you'll feel free to send us donuts and Christmas cards and stop by anytime. All right?
You got it.
All right, man.
Thanks,
Take care.
Doctor.
All right.
Take care.